Mining operations face the constant challenge of maximising ore yield while minimising equipment downtime. That's why we developed ABB Care for mining automation, a standardised service framework tailored to individual customer needs. With ABB Care, we manage your automation system to make your plant operate with greater efficiency and higher availability. We make your plant operate with better performance, with care. We support your sustainability goals, with care. We prioritise the safety of your plant and personnel, with care. ABB Care for mining automation is built on performance-enhancing core services, including a distributed control system fingerprint for system reliability, a loop performance fingerprint for operational efficiency, alarm management benchmark for improved response times, and software maintenance, the most cost-effective way to access software license updates and upgrades. Frequently updating one of your site's most critical systems, ensuring it is always protected, and allowing you to extend the longevity of your DCS. These services are part of a wide portfolio that helps to keep your plant operating at maximum capacity. At ABB, we know that every mine is different. With ABB Care, you have the flexibility to choose the services that suit your site's needs. At ABB, we leverage the best of automation technology and our deep industry expertise to identify and prevent problems before they start. ABB Care for mining automation. We care about your success.